Good morning. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the EIDS, or the Enhanced Interference Detection System. I am going to go over what the EIDS is, the components that comprise the EIDS system, some maintenance practices to remember as well as troubleshooting, and an operations overview. Essentially, the EIDS is a system that can monitor signal interference over multiple bands. Not only does the EIDS display the detection of interference, but it reports and archives all applicable information. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit. The EIDS is software and hardware driven. The CPU is a Windows XP professional driven piece of hardware which houses the Red Rapids digitizer card, which allows for a graphic representation of the RF signal. The tri-band RF down converter. This tunable and remotely controllable piece of hardware is capable of converting C, X, or KU band into a 70 MHz IF signal. The signal conditioning tray. This operatable, adjustable piece of hardware converts control commands from the CPU to the down converter, as well as amplifying and filtering those signals. Some maintenance practices to remember. Remember that the EIDS is not sensitive to a power-up order procedure. However, for familiarization and efficiency, it is advised that you power up the components in the order that you will be taught during your hands-on instruction. Please allot the down converter at least 20 minutes to warm up before putting it into operation, and ensure that it is set to the remote setting as indicated on the front panel LED. The EIDS utilizes an input signal of interest list and will monitor those task frequencies. The EIDS recognizes 4 states for its signals of interest. They are the idle state, which essentially means that the signal is not currently being monitored, but is still stored within the signal database. This can be operator changed to the baseline state. The baseline state means that the signal monitoring will start. After this, the signal will automatically switch to the detect state. This means that the signal is being monitored for any interference that represents a change from the baseline state. When this occurs, the signal will go into an interference detected state. When this interference is no longer detected, the signal will return to its detect state. Keep in mind that at the detect state, the operator has the option of returning the signal to an idle or baseline state. And of course, as always, the safety of yourself and the equipment are paramount. Please remember these lessons as you proceed to your hands-on training of the EIDS. You are the mission.